Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss the most intriguing hero of all time, which is Blast. But before we further continue, make sure to click that like button. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you click that subscribe button and ring that notification bell as well, okay? Blast is the current number one S-Class hero of the association. His location is unknown and only a handful of officials of Heroes Association can contact him, but no guarantee if he will come if they make a request of his appearance. Kinda similar to Saitama, Blast is known to do his hero activities just for hobbies. This is also the reason why they cannot force him or make a request to do his job because Blast acts on his own. Very similar to Saitama's mindset, right? In terms of his power, that is still unknown as of today, but many heroes believe that his abilities are far ahead compared to other heroes. Many instances also happen in the story where you can imagine how powerful he could be. Blue, the founder of Neo Heroes, claimed that he is the son of Blast, but there is no evidence yet in the webcomic if this is true. But seems like this might be real because we already saw how good Blue is in combat. Here are some of the events where Blast was mentioned in the series. 18 years ago, Blast saved Tatsumaki from a monster. Tatsumaki also explained that this is the main reason why she became a hero. 15 years ago, Blast defeated the Ninja Village leader and put him into a coma. 9 years ago, on the night of the Ninja Village graduation exam, Blast attacked the Ninja Village and killed the trainees who managed to survive Flashy Flash attack from earlier that day. Sonic managed to escape Blast's wrath, but the incident left him with hate towards heroes. 2 years ago, Blast fought Elder Centipede and brought him to the brink of death. During this event, Heroes Association was already formed. However, the monster managed to escape underground before he had a chance to finish it off. Saitama managed to finish the Elder Centipede on the current timeline. So the question right now is, where the hell is Blast? Why is he not showing? Lots of speculations and theories are made because of his disappearance. One speculation is that Saitama and Blast are one, but this is already proven that it's not true because of the incident involved with Blast 18 years ago, and Saitama is only 24 years old, so the age doesn't match already. Other theory is that he already retired and working as a staff in the persona of bearded worker. One anime theorist explained that they are the same person for some reasons that make sense. You can check his explanation to his channel. There is also a theory that Blast might transfer his power to Saitama around 1 to 2 years ago during his break. This is just a pure speculation since Saitama's power is also unexplainable, and based on the explanation who saw Blast's power, they are almost the same. I wonder if this explanation is true. Who knows, right? So what do you think about Blast? Leave a comment down below on what is your theory about Blast. Make sure you also subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell, right? Peace out.